Ready to start your journey in healthcare? Welcome to the Nursing Assistant program from ImmerseLearn, a practical, immersive, and hands-on way to develop the skills needed to provide compassionate patient care and succeed in today's healthcare industry. This comprehensive program combines immersive virtual reality training, real-world hands-on practice, conversational AI, and healthcare-based simulations to create engaging learning experiences that prepare you for the responsibilities of a nursing assistant. Let's take a closer look at what you'll learn. Foundations of healthcare and patient care. Explore healthcare environments, professional responsibilities, patient rights, communication skills, and the essential role nursing assistants play in supporting patients and healthcare teams. Safety, infection control, and emergency response. Learn proper hand hygiene, infection prevention practices, personal protective equipment procedures, workplace safety, and life-saving CPR and basic life support techniques. Vital signs and patient assessment. Develop confidence measuring temperature, blood pressure, pulse, respirations, and collecting accurate patient information while supporting patient monitoring and care. Patient mobility and positioning. Practice safe transfers, wheelchair assistance, ambulation support, body mechanics, and techniques that promote patient comfort and safety. Personal care and daily living assistance. Build hands-on skills in bathing, denture care, perineal care, foot care, and other essential activities of daily living. Patient documentation and healthcare processes. Learn admission, transfer, discharge, documentation, and patient record procedures that support quality healthcare delivery. Clinical care skills. Gain practical experience in wound care, feeding assistance, range of motion exercises, and supporting patients with a variety of healthcare needs. Psychosocial care and communication. Strengthen therapeutic communication, patient interaction skills, empathy, and professionalism when caring for diverse patient populations. Rehabilitation, comfort, and end-of-life care. Learn how to support rehabilitation goals, patient comfort, rest and recovery, ethical decision-making, and compassionate end-of-life care practices. At ImmerseLearn, we bring healthcare education to life through immersive technology. Upon completion, you'll take a live proctored exam to validate your knowledge and practical understanding. As a certified AMCA testing site, ImmerseLearn enables eligible students to take the AMCA Nursing Assistant Certification (NAC) exam, providing an industry-recognized credential that demonstrates competency in patient care and healthcare support skills. At ImmerseLearn, your journey doesn't end at graduation. Following program completion, students receive dedicated career services and job placement support, including career counseling, resume development, interview preparation, job search assistance, employer outreach, and application support. Our team works closely with each student to help connect them with employment opportunities and successfully transition into the healthcare workforce. So start building your future in healthcare. Visit ImmerseLearn.com today.